Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the coral stitch pattern, which you can see here in front of you. This is a wonderful one row repeat crochet stitch pattern that is the same on the front as it is on the back. It creates a beautiful solid fabric with this kind of wavy texture running throughout. Today for the tutorial, I'm going to use a little bit of a medium worsted weight yarn. This is the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet and Knit Picks, as well as a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. And I'm going to provide links to both of these items in the description of this video. Also down in the description, you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which are on richtexturescrochet.com. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. So we're going to start by making a slip knot and then by working a foundation chain. Your foundation chain today can be any number of stitches. So today I'm going to begin by chaining 21. Once you have that foundation chain worked, you can then begin row 1 by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook and single crochet into each stitch all the way across. This is just going to form a foundation row for the rest of our pattern. So single crochet into that second chain from your hook and then into each stitch all the way across. At the end of row 1, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. We're now going to work the row that will be repeated throughout the pattern, and it's going to provide all of that texture you saw there at the beginning. To begin, you're going to start by working a single crochet 2 together over the first 2 stitches. To work your single crochet 2 together, insert your hook into the first stitch. Your turning chain does not count as a stitch. Yarn over and draw up a loop. Then insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's your single crochet 2 together. We're now going to work cluster stitches all the way across to the final stitch. To work your cluster stitch, you're going to begin by inserting your hook under the vertical bar of the post of the previous stitch. So if you look at your single crochet 2 together here, you have 1, 2, 3 bars making up your post. This one that is the closest to the next stitch, that's the one you're going to insert your hook into. So first insert your hook under that final vertical bar, yarn over and draw up a loop. You're then going to insert your hook through the same stitch as your previous single crochet 2 together. So insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop. 3 loops on your hook. You're then going to insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. With 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. That is your cluster stitch. You're going to work cluster stitches all the way across. So under that vertical bar that's closest, that's the furthest over in the direction that you're working, insert your hook, yarn over and draw up a loop. Insert your hook into the same stitch as the previous stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. With 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4. Repeat this all the way across. When you come all the way across, I'm just going to work my final cluster stitch, finishing off in the final stitch, the final single crochet. You're then going to complete row 1 by working a half double crochet into that final single crochet. So it's the same stitch that you finished off your last cluster, work a half double crochet into that final stitch. Chain 1, turn your work. Now, as I mentioned, this is a 1 row repeat, so for the rest of the pattern, you're simply going to repeat that row 2. Begin with a single crochet, 2 together, and then work your cluster stitches all the way across to your final stitch and finish off the row with a half double crochet worked into the final stitch, which is the same stitch as your last cluster stitch. And that's all there is to working this beautiful coral stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around. There are lots of other crochet stitch tutorials here on my channel. If you haven't already, I also invite you to check out my latest book, Barn Quilt Blankets. It's a collection of 5 beautiful blanket crochet patterns featuring a geometric design. And there's a link down there for you in the description of this video if you would like to check it out. So again, thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.